As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200 and the Performance Series 4-burner. What's the real difference?
All right, let's break it down. The Grill2Go, that's model B00BFPMLI8, is all about portability. It's a single burner, small propane grill, only weighs 20 pounds. The Performance Series B07JZV24HV is a full-sized 4-burner cart grill weighing a hefty 85 pounds.
Okay, so one's for tailgating and the other's for the backyard. Makes sense. What about cooking space?
Huge difference there. The Grill2Go has a cooking surface of 200 square inches. The Performance Series, it boasts 475 square inches for primary cooking, plus a 130 square inch warming rack.
Wow, that's a lot more space. So I could cook for a whole party on the Performance Series. What about power?
The Grill2Go's burner puts out 9,500 BTUs, and the Performance Series kicks it up to 36,000 BTUs across its 4 burners. Plus, it has a 10,000 BTU side burner too.
A side burner? Nice. So I could do sauces or boil corn while grilling. What about the grates themselves? Are they the same?
Nope. The Grill2Go has porcelain-coated steel grates. The Performance Series has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are better at retaining heat and giving you those nice sear marks.
Sear marks are important. What about ignition? Is it easy to light?
Both have push-button electronic ignition, so you're good there. Quick and easy starts for both.
Okay, so basically, the Grill2Go is small, portable, and simpler, while the Performance Series is big, powerful, and has more features.
Exactly. The Grill2Go uses those TRU infrared cooking system, designed to reduce flare-ups, while the Performance Series is a standard convective grill. It focuses on even heat distribution.
Final question. Price?
The Grill2Go is around $148, while the Performance Series is about $370.
All right, thanks. That helps a lot. I think I know which one I need now. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.